If you've ever looked around your home and thought, this is a beautiful home, but something still feels off, well, you're not alone. Interior decorating is often misunderstood. Some people think it means picking throw pillows. Others assume it's the same as interior design. But in reality, professional interior decorating sits in that middle ground. It creates clarity, cohesion, and polish without unnecessary disruption that you would get from construction. Decorating is often the missing layer. It is the difference between a house that looks good and a home that feels complete. Interior decorating focuses on the visible and decorative layers of the home. It will shape how a space feels when you walk in, how it functions day to day, and how cohesive it looks as a whole. Here are the questions decorating answers. What furniture scale actually fits this room? You may have the wrong furniture. How do we make the home feel elevated without overdoing it? I don't want to feel like it's so sophisticated. And what ties all these rooms together? For many New Jersey homeowners, the issue is not taste. It's decision fatigue. It's too many options, too many opinions, and so little time. A professional decorator brings editing, structure, and restraint. Not more ideas, just better ones. Decorating can mean different things depending on the firm. Here is what interior decorating typically includes at Walden Interiors. We assess how each room functions, how it could function better. And we do that through furniture placement, circulation paths, the balance in the size and the proportion of the furniture. Often, the biggest improvement comes from rethinking what is already there and giving the space room to breathe. Furniture is not about trends. It is about scale, comfort, material quality and durability, and the longevity. We combine existing pieces with new ones, so old and new feel intentional together. When we source new items, we prioritize sustainable vegan materials that still meet our aesthetic standards for our clients. Color affects mood. It affects the light, and it affects how spaces connect. We develop cohesive palettes across the home, but give each room its own identity. Materials are layered with attention to finishes, the texture, the pattern, and the sustainability. So the results feel considered and curated, not matched. Here's one thing most people miss is lighting. It's one of the most overlooked parts of decorating. We refine the ambient, the task, and the accent lighting. So we create warmth and depth through the room throughout the day. Window treatments are selected for function and proportion, supporting things like privacy and light control, but they still complement the design. This is the final layer that brings your personality into the space. That would be art placement, personal objects, styling details, curated pieces that you've collected, and we curate it with restraint, often using those meaningful pieces you already own. The goal is collected and personal. It's not meant to feel staged or overdone or perfect. We want it to feel like yours. My firm, Walden Interiors, is a New Jersey-based studio. We are known for refined, livable interiors, and our decorating work reflects the realities of homes in towns like Montclair and Westfield. Homes here often have strong architectural character, colonial and turn-of-the-century details, or they're mid-century bones or newer construction that really require warmth and depth. And the approach is not our approach is not to impose a signature look. It's uncovering what fits the home and, more importantly, what fits the people living in the home like you. Clients come to us for a calm, confident design voice, help narrow down decisions, and create a home that feels elevated but not precious, one that can be used. If your layout works, but the space feels incomplete, decorating is often the right solution. If walls are moving and kitchens are being rebuilt, or plumbing and electrical plans are changing and are involved, full interior design would be more appropriate. So Walden Interiors offers both and helps you choose honestly based on what will serve you best. Interior decorating is ideal if you've recently moved, renovated, but never fully finished your rooms feel disjointed, or you want professional guidance without a full remodel. It can be a smart investment before listing a home or settling in long term. Before you even hire a decorator, here are 4 quick insights from a professional eye. One strong focal point beats many small ones. Too small furniture makes a room feel unwelcome. Lighting temperature matters more than fixture style. And negative space is not empty space. These small adjustments often reveal why a room feels off. If you're exploring interior decorating services and want a home that feels thoughtful and resolved, the next step is a conversation with us. Walden Interiors works with clients who are looking for clarity, who want quality, and want to make it a calm and stress-free process. Whether you're finishing one room or refining an entire home, we help bring everything into focus. So call us at 973-722-3872 or schedule a design consultation. I'm Risha Walden with Walden Interiors, and my goal is to get you in your home and enjoying it and not wanting to leave.